Okay, guys, what's up? This is the King. This is the King's Tech channel. First thing off, today's video, I'm going to show you how I try to achieve mad crypto gains to try and stay rich in this crypto bear market. Okay, I'm not going to waste your time. We're going to get into some charts. I'm going to show you how I set up my trades, and then we're going to go through and set up a trade together. Okay, let's go. First things first, one of my favorite charts to look at right now is Matic. Matic is a side chain for Ethereum, and it's really cool. I mean, we're not even going to get into Ethereum layer twos right now. We're just going to start with the side chain. Keep it nice and simple for you guys. Okay, I already have this chart pre-set up for you guys. Get rid of that out your way. I got this chart pre-set up for you guys, and I'm going to show you how we get in and get her done to make some crypto gains. Okay, first thing first, we're going to set a high point for our chart. This is also crypto trading noob 101. If you want to learn how to trade some crypto, this is the place to be. Sorry about that. Uh, okay, so first things first, we're going to find a high point. If we come over here on our handy dandy little chart, we will see this little green candle right here with that super high wick. That high wick is placing around 98 cents. If we draw a line here, follow that wick all the way back, we can see right here, not too long ago, when it hit 98 cents, it took a hard level down, which is showing some strong resistance in a downward motion. But then also you come over a little bit further back, you can see on that same line, it's bouncing off the resistance going up in an upwards motion. And so even if we go further back, we can see right here back in March 2023, we show a green candle hitting a low off of this line, bouncing off of this line of resistance and pulling right back up. Right over here, once again, you can see hitting that line of resistance. It's going up, hits that line of resistance, caves. So this top line right here for the year of 2023 has been showing a really great upward resistance. Of course, if we break above that and start moving up here, I would probably set my next level of upwards resistance up here around $1.18, because you can see around here there's a lot of bottom wicks using this level as a resistance, but we're talking about this level. Okay, so super quick and easy, I showed you how to find a top level of your resistance. Now how we're going to find our bottom level. Best way to find your bottom level of resistance is go back a little bit. You can see right here, we hit a low of that 81 cents right here. And then if we come back over here, you can see there's a green candle that breaks directly through that 81 cents. And then if we go back a little bit further, oh no, we moved our line. Okay, we're back on it. We're back on it, guys. If we come back here, you can see back in November of 2022 to October 2022, you can see this line of resistance. It never holds straight on this line. We can see right here, it breaks through the level of resistance, comes back, bounces around on the level of resistance, breaks through. You can see here, one really big dump, two really big dump, right onto that level of resistance, right back up from that level of resistance. And that just shows that there's a lot of traders looking to buy and sell around these levels of resistance. Also coming through here, more choppy action around that level of resistance. It does break down on a downwards trend, but shortly breaks back up. Right here, we get the little uptrend, breaks back down, hits that level of resistance, breaks back up. So currently, we're looking at 81 for our high level of resistance and around 96 for our low level resistance. And we're currently trading at 89. So, a good little in between. Oops, sorry about that. I messed up my chart. God dang. Ding, dang, dang. Okay, we don't even need that anymore. We're going to come back here, redraw our line at 81. Okay, so yeah. I mean, if you wanted to be a little bit more conservative, you could bring it up a little bit. Or if you wanted to play it a little bit more risky, you can bring it down a little bit. But I think 81 is a good place to hold this trade. Okay, so now we'll go back over here. Now that we have our low and our high for our trade, we'll come back over here to Pinex. And Over here on Pinex, we'll go through it. We'll go to set up a trade. We'll come over here. We'll get into the different types of bots in Pinex in our next or later videos. Right now, I just want to get you in, show you how I go about setting up a trade. And yeah, so we're going to come over here, create bot. We're going to go to customize. Like we said over here on our chart, our low end was 81 cents. So we'll come here, enter 0.81, and we're looking at a high on this chart of 96 cents. So we'll come over here and hit 0.96. Grids are just how many trades you want to, how many buys and sells essentially you want to set up in that range. So like I like to set up a 50 trade. That means you need $66 to cover this entire trade. And it's super simple. We would hit that and then we would watch it bounce around. I will show you on one of my trades I already have set up, even though I set that up for Immutable X and not Matic. My bad. And I'll show you my trade real quick. Come over here. We'll go to my trading bots. My trading bots. Okay. So right now I have that same bot set up. I'm looking at a 90 cents grid profit. Right now it is currently down 54 cents, but because it's a grid trading bot, as it goes up, as it goes down, it will change. So you come right back to here. Let me show you. Okay. So right here on the right side of the screen, you can see these are where right on this chart I have it set to 85 with a high of $1. So essentially what we did was that low end, we took that. Our bot is going to buy all the way down to 85. And then on the reverse side, it is going to sell all the way up to $1. So as you can see through here, we did a buy at 93 cents. We did a sell at 94 cents. A buy at 90 cents, a sell at 91 cents. So on, so forth. Yeah, let's set up one more chart, get you through, get you done. Okay, one of my favorite charts is the Immutable X. This thing likes to bounce, this thing likes to run, and I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Okay, so we set our bottom line on this level of resistance right here at the 69 cents. I only made this line in the middle just because I was looking for a good point to initiate my trade, and I found a good point to initiate the trade would be at around 78 cents. I just like to be in the trade. Better to be in the market than to try and time the market. The nice thing about auto trading bots is that you don't necessarily have to worry about timing the market because of the simple fact that it's always going to be selling in a positive and buying in a negative. When the price goes down, it'll buy. When the price goes up, it'll sell. Really nice. One of my favorite forms of passive income. Okay, so we set the low at 69 cents and then a high of 92 cents. We'll come back over here to the lovely bot. And as you can see, I currently have my bot set up for Immutable X with a low of 65 and a high of 85. I did the high of 85 purely for the fact that if we come back to my chart, you can see that there's some really nice lines of resistance around 85. If we do end up breaking that 85 level of resistance, I definitely will be setting up another trade. Okay, I set up my first trade. This is two trades on one screen. I set up my first trade to go from 69 cents all the way up to the 85. And then if we do end up breaking that level of resistance around 85, my next trade setup would potentially be around the 78 cent all the way up to the 92 cent, just because if you come down here to 78, you can see there are a lot of times where there's resistance bouncing off of it, which we really like to see. There's right here back in February, it broke through it and then come back here in March, it falls down to it, but bounces off, goes right back up. Once again, you can see over here, we fall through that level of resistance, but instead of breaking straight through it and going down, we ride around this range. And so If you wanted to play it a little bit more conservative, you could definitely set up a trade from the 78 all the way down to the 69 trade. We will go into this little Fibonacci risk reward thing in the next video. This is really just a super quick video. Get it out to you guys. I really want more people in America to start using Pionex.us. I feel like this is a really good platform, really useful. You can get a lot out of it. In the description below, I will put a link down there. It's my referral code. You do not have to pay any more to use referral code. You actually get a bonus when you sign on using the referral code. So I would definitely recommend you use it, not for my sake or the channel's sake, but just for yours. And so, yeah, this was really just a simple video of me showing you guys how I like to go through, find levels where you either don't break all the way through or we bounce directly off of to set up your trades. Same thing with the low. You want to find something where it doesn't fall through, but it also breaks off of. For your high end, you want to find something where it blows through and it kind of bounces around, because those are going to be key levels of resistance, which means people are going to be consistently buying and selling at those ranges. I don't want to make this video too long for you guys, so please like and subscribe. If you would like to see more videos on how I set up trades and set up my bots to make some money, please like and subscribe. Also, leave a comment down below saying Pionex is king, and we will do some more videos. Yeah, please like and subscribe. You guys have a nice day. Thank you so much. Peace out.